Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. We are continuing with the tutorials. We are still on the master sheet. In fact, the master sheet is very broad. It consists of all the sheets linked together. So we are still continuing. Now I want us to freeze the pane so that our scrolling will be what? Easy. You see, when you scroll to your right side, the names and the serial number disappears. I want us to freeze the serial number and the name so that they are static. So we want to freeze the serial number and the name. So we select C, which is not part of what we want to freeze. So you click C, then or you select the entire school name, then you go to view, go to freeze panes. You select it, you select the first one, freeze panes based on current selection. So you select it. Now when you scroll, the name and the serial number is fixed, so it will make our work a bit easy. Okay, now let's continue with the formulas for the master sheet. Okay, at the promotion, we want the promotion at the registry to appear here. So we start as usual. We start our formula with equal sign. So equal. Before that, let me check where we can find the promotion on the registry. The column, okay, is J. Okay, so if it's J, then you start with equal to index. Index what? Registry. Index registry. Index registry. Column J, comma, match. We want to match the first name on this sheet, and it is at the B column, and the first cell is B2. So B2, where is B2 found? It's found at column B. So B, you bring your column B, then comma, you type what? 0. You close it with a closing bracket, then you bring another comma since it's column 1, then you close it with a closing bracket. You press enter. So as usual, when you go to the registry sheet, you see this is what is there, and when you come to the master sheet too, they are there. So there is no need to worry yourself. Let's go to conduct. To make it simple for us, we can copy this formula for the promotion, starting from the total score, the position, and the rest. You can copy the formula. They all follow the same trend, just that you change the columns. So you copy it, you come to the conduct here, let's paste it here, let's center it. Okay, now when you come to the conduct at the settings, at the registry, it's found at column E. So when you go to the master sheet, instead of registry JJ, you change it to registry E. You see it has changed. So that's the conduct. And when you go to the registry, the attitude is at F. So with the same formula copied, you paste it here. Let's center it. Then this one is E. Attitude is at column F, so you change it to F. In that order. So attitude, when you come here, the attitude F, in that order. With the same formula copied, you just paste it here. Then let's center. Let's check where the column in which you can find the interest at the registry. It's found at J. Therefore, when you come here, you change the J to J. You press enter. So you continue to the class teacher. Since they are the promotion, the conduct, they are all on the same sheet, so you can apply the same formula, just that you change the columns in which you find it. So as usual, let's paste our formula there. Let's